Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Make sure Git is installed and you're signed into GitHub. This avoids auth errors later. Open Vscode, then press Ctrl+Shift+P and choose Git. Clone to start connecting a repo. When prompted, paste the repository URL or choose an SSH option. Once done, Vscode will ask to open the cloned folder. Accept it so the editor can manage the repo and show the source control view. Now you handle authentication and local configuration so pushes and pulls work reliably. If using SSH, generate a key with SSH keygen, add the public key to GitHub, and ensure the SSH agent is running. If you prefer HTTPS, use the GitHub CLI, GHauth login, or use Vscode's accounts menu to sign in. Both give you a personal access token behind the scenes. Make sure to set Git user name and user. Email locally, then test with Git fetch to confirm connectivity. Finish by syncing changes and knowing one key troubleshooting tip. Stage and commit your changes, then push using Git push origin main or the branch you're working on. Vscode's source control UI can do these steps too. If you hit authentication, remote, or permission errors, first verify the remote URL with Git remote v. Confirm your SSH key or token is active, and make sure you're pushing to the correct branch. If necessary, re-authenticate via Vscode or GHauth login to restore access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.